In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all downloads on YouTube. If your device is running low on storage or you simply want a fresh start, clearing your YouTube downloads is quick and safe. This process only removes videos that were saved for offline viewing on the device you're using. It doesn't affect your subscriptions, history, playlists, or anything stored in the cloud. You can always download the videos again later if you need them. Start by opening YouTube on the device where the downloads are stored. Make sure you're on the right account, since downloads are tied to the profile that saved them. Once YouTube is open, head to your profile by tapping the profile picture in the top right corner. On a computer, this will look like your avatar. On a phone or tablet, it's in the same spot at the top. From your profile menu, go into Settings. This is where YouTube keeps all the controls for your account, playback, and storage. If you're on a larger screen, you'll see a left-hand sidebar inside Settings. On smaller screens, the same options appear as a list you can scroll through. Look for the section labeled Downloads. This is where YouTube manages offline content and storage space related to your saved videos. Inside Downloads, select the option that says Delete All Downloads. Before you proceed, take a moment to understand what this does. It will remove every video you've saved for offline viewing on this device. Nothing is deleted from YouTube itself, and your likes, comments, and watch progress aren't touched. This is purely a local cleanup to free space. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking you to verify. Tap Delete to confirm. YouTube will then clear the offline files. Depending on how many videos you had saved and your device's speed, this may take a moment. When it's finished, your storage will reflect the freed up space. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the Delete All Downloads option, you might not have any downloads on this device, or you may need to scroll a bit within the Downloads section. If the button appears grayed out, there's likely nothing to remove. And remember, if you use multiple devices, you'll need to repeat these same steps on each one to clear their local downloads. That's it, simple and effective. You've successfully deleted all your YouTube downloads and reclaimed storage without losing any account data. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick cleanup.